Maaz Safdar. Maaz Safdar is a famous YouTuber from Pakistan who has set a record for creating a continuous vlog for 1 year. He is a vlogger and Instagrammer. He started his journey for TikTok. Later on, he played a very important role in a game show named Game Show Aise Chalega on Ball Entertainment. He is a member of Team Instagrammers. Maaz Safdar is a young and talented YouTuber. He used to create and upload a daily vlog every day throughout the year, and after so much hard work, he set a record that no one in Pakistan has been able to break. Bio, Wiki and age. Maaz Safdar was born on 15 May 2001 in Karachi, Pakistan. He is 21 years old in 2022. He is a young Instagram influencer, TikToker, content creator and YouTuber. He has two brothers and two sisters. He loves his younger sister Fariha and most vlog his younger sister in with him. His wife's name is Saba Abbasi. YouTube channel. He started his YouTube channel on January 14, 2020 and he posted his first video on February 13, 2020. Now he has more than 2 million subscribers on YouTube with 470 plus videos and 507,947,808 plus views. His YouTube channel is Maaz Safdar World. Instagram. He is active on Instagram. He daily posts his picture and stories on Instagram. Twitter. He joined Twitter in October 2021. His Twitter account is Maaz Safdar World. TikTok. Maaz Safdar started his career from TikTok and then he used YouTube. He has more than 2.7 million followers on TikTok. Biography. Full name Maaz Safdar Saddique. First name Maaz. Last name Safdar. Nickname Jerry and Zoo. Date of birth 15 May 2001. Age in 2022 21 years. Birthplace Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Hometown Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Religion Islam. Profession YouTuber, Instagrammer, TikToker. Nationality Pakistani. School High School Karachi. Education Inter-Commerce. Income source acting and paid promotion.